How's my fur? I don't know. How do I look in this better this angle? Or that? Muffy, we're filming. Oh! Hello! Welcome to episode 2 of Animals Walking, Getting Snacks. Today, I will interview my good friend Jaws. Jaws, say hi to the folks.
Hello.
This is my good friend Jaws. How's it going, Jaws?
Good.
Really good?
Good.
So, I'm a fan of your work. I recently rewatched your first movie titled Jaws. 1975. You've been around a lot. So, what did you think of your role in Jaws?
I thought it was perfect.
It was perfect?
Perfect.
So, did you have to audition for the part?
No.
No? They just called you up?
No.
That's excellent. Excellent. I have a question. I've always been wondering. Oh, it's a busy street. Sorry about that. I've been wondering, did you eat any real humans in that 1975 initial movie?
No.
No. Were they gummy humans?
No. They were just actors and I was just there.
You pretended and they threw ketchup of sorts?
Yeah.
Very fascinating. The way they make movies is so interesting. Okay, so what new projects do you have going on?
Well, I already made my new movie, 47 meters down.
So you were in 47 meters down?
Yeah.
But like you were blind and you were all like whitish colored. How'd they do that?
I literally just put on, white dye or something.
Makeup?
Yeah.
And then glasses?
Yeah.
For your eyes because you look blind.
I'm not.
Did you eat any humans in that movie?
They told me to, but no.
But you didn't. Are you a vegetarian?
No, but I just don't want to be mean.
No, I get it. I really do. That's fascinating. So, any more news?
No, not really.
Not really? No projects coming up yet?
No.
So, Jaws, tell us something personal about your life. What do you like to do in your spare time?
Just hang out.
You hang out?
Hang out.
Do you like crochet or dance or...
Crochet.
Yeah?
Dance?
Well, I don't know.
I don't do that.
I like to dance. I like to eat chocolate.
Oh, no, he's gonna do it solo.
Watch movies.
Oh, no, he's gonna dance. Aren't you, Muffy?
No, not right now. No. But thank you very much, Jaws, for joining us in this exclusive interview. Thank you for joining us on episode 2 of my new show, Animals Walking, Getting Snacks. This is my good friend, Jaws. Jaws, do you have some last words for the folks?
Keep on biting.
Keep on biting. This is Muffy T. Rivers, out.